Welcome to this SnapEd New York video presentation.
Hi, I'm Caitlin, SnapEd New York nutrition educator, and today we'll be saving time, saving money, and eating healthy with bell peppers. When it comes to vegetables, get a variety and eat the rainbow. There's so many shapes, sizes, flavors, and colors to choose from, all with their own special mix of nutrients and health benefits. But with all this variety, it can be hard to keep track of how to store and use each one. So in today's video, we'll be highlighting a staple in my kitchen, bell peppers. From the store or garden to your kitchen to your plate, you'll learn about how to get the most out of your bell peppers and save some money along the way. Bell peppers, also known as sweet peppers, are a tender, warm season vegetable, usually in season during the summer and early fall. These can be found in a rainbow of colors: green, yellow, orange, red, and even purple. Did you know that red, yellow, and orange bell peppers actually start out green? Since they're harvested later, these tend to be more expensive than green bell peppers. At the green stage, the peppers tend to be more bitter, and they're categorized in the other vegetable subgroup. By weight, these have twice the amount of vitamin C than citrus fruits. Yellow, orange, and red tend to be sweeter, and they're categorized in the red and orange vegetable subgroup. Along with vitamin C, these are high in vitamin A. Both help support your immune system. When buying fresh, choose firm, brightly colored peppers with shiny skins and green stems. They should feel heavy for their size. Avoid dull or wrinkly peppers, and keep an eye out for black spots, soft spots, or slashes. Store these in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Cut or sliced peppers will keep for 1 to 3 days in an airtight container. This is a great vegetable to prepare in advance, and it can save you time later. You can also freeze extras. We'll talk about this in a little bit. Before using, wash your hands with warm water and soap for at least 20 seconds. Then rinse your peppers under cool running water. Dry with a towel, and you're ready to start. There are a few different ways to cut bell peppers, and it all depends on what dish you're making with them. Let's start with stuffed bell peppers. First, cut the top off, then carefully remove the seeds and pulpy part with a knife. Or cut them in half lengthwise, and you can remove those parts with your knife or just with your hands. Then stuff them with your favorite filling and bake. Check out these stuffed bell pepper recipes for some inspiration. If you're short on time, sliced and diced peppers can easily be eaten raw or added into a cooked dish. The easiest way I learned to separate the pepper from the seeds is to turn the pepper upside down. Then, starting from the top, run your knife along the edges of the pepper. Now you're left with 3 to 4 nice chunks of pepper without wasting too much. To cut smaller, lay it skin side down. This makes it easier to cut. And use a sharp knife to cut into strips. If you have younger kids, they can practice cutting these with a plastic knife. Always be careful not to cut your fingers, and make sure you have a stable surface to work on to avoid any accidents. From those strips, you can cut them into cubes. Depending on the recipe and your preference, you might cut the strips thin or thick. If you want smaller cubes, cut thinner strips. Again, these can be eaten raw or cooked. You might like raw peppers in a potato salad, a pasta salad, a colorful wrap, homemade salsa, or guacamole. Cooked peppers are an easy addition to omelets, a quiche, stir fry, to spruce up a tomato sauce, or as a simple side dish to any dinner. To cook, try to saute them in a pan on medium-high heat. Add maybe 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, toss in your sliced or cubed peppers, season with your favorite low-sodium herbs and spices, maybe some garlic powder or Italian seasoning. Stir and cook for 7 to 8 minutes, or until tender. If you aren't able to use all your peppers, freeze them before they go bad. Place your raw slices or cubes onto a cookie sheet in a single layer. Freeze until firm for about an hour, then move to an airtight container and store in the freezer for up to 8 months. And there you have it. That's bell peppers, a simple way to make half of your plate fruits and vegetables while still adding lots of color, flavor, and nutrition to your meals. I hope in this video you learned a little bit more on how to buy, store, and prepare bell peppers in affordable and tasty ways. If you are looking for more ideas on how to incorporate bell peppers, check out our website, snapedny.org, and/or follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
It starts with just one small change, and we are here to help. Thank you for joining us today. We know the healthy choice isn't always the easiest choice, but small changes can make a big difference. Start today by getting involved with SNAP-Ed New York. The program is free for those who qualify or receive SNAP benefits. We want to help you save time, save money, and eat healthy. Learn how SNAP-Ed can make a difference in your life. For more information and to find your local program, visit snapedny.org. This material was funded by USDA's Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP. This institution is an equal opportunity provider.